Well, because people have been promised that there would be action from government. Do you know how many schemes have been delivered since you made the promise back in 2016? Not 56. Those numbers go back to 1997. Did you know that? 1997, 30 years. Since you were Minister promising people that your government would take action, only 17 major schemes have been completed. There are 148 schemes out there that have been identified. These are areas that are prone to flooding, identified by a specialised report, and none of those 148 have been even completed. Some of them aren't even in design stage yet. That's not the here now. That's 10 years on, Minister. 10 years on. So I'm going to ask you, what is going to be different this time? And please don't recite the weather again. What is government going to do differently this time in terms of fulfilling the promises that you made to communities 10 years ago that have seen repeated flooding over and over again? Families having to go out to clean out debris, clean out their houses, clean out their businesses, and they see that there is no action from government on the horizon.
Tánaiste. I hope I'll get the same latitude. You just can't help yourself, Deputy. You just can't help yourself. There's flood warnings in place in Northern Ireland. If God forbid anywhere floods in Northern Ireland, I'm not going to blame Michelle O'Neill. Right? Because this isn't about party politics or partisan politics. This is about actually acting. And if you want to say that me doing my job, coming into this House and amplifying, as we've been asked, excuse me, if you want,
Deputy Doherty, please.
Excuse me, leave the bully boy antics out of the chamber today, and just for once, take off the party jersey. If you're suggesting that amplifying, as we've been asked to do by the RSA, the fact that people should be very careful on the roads today and avoid driving, if you're suggesting that's a glib weather forecast, if you're suggesting that, no, that's what we do. There's people watching this today. And it's extremely important we get the facts out. Now, to those people as well, because I quite frankly don't care about engaging with you, but the people who are actually flooded.
Please.
Deputy, come on. Please.
Tánaiste, please. Go ahead.
And a bit of decorum would be great. The people who are actually looking at this today and wanting to know what's going to happen, I want to tell them. What's going to happen is an increased focus on allowing local authorities to fast-track more works that can be done in the here and now. And there's already examples of about 900 that have been delivered. Flood relief schemes being classified as critical infrastructure, an overhaul of the flood warning schemes, and assistance to help people in relation to business assistance and humanitarian assistance. I also hope the party that are climate deniers will come back and have a discussion about the major emergencies. Today is not a day for party politics, but unfortunately for you, you just can't reach deeper even on a day like today. Shame.